Alright, I am just pulling up to this house for this lawn mowing thing that I do as for work. Yeah, the parents are actually not home. They said that, uh, yeah, they said that, uh, yeah, they're not home apparently. So yeah, but their little kid is home. He appears to be spray painting, but, oh, hello, hello. Uh, so, don't freak out or anything. But like, I'm the person that's gonna be cutting the grass. Okay. So yeah. So I want you to just chill and stuff. All right. The grass is pretty tall. Damn, I haven't cut this thing in like years or months. But yeah, just sit around. All right. I'm gonna go pull out my lawnmower from the back of my truck. Yeah, apparently it can fit. I don't know how I managed to fit it, but I just did. But yeah, let me just bring it out. Okay, let me close the what is it, bunk or something? I don't even know what it's called at this point. But yeah, here's the lawnmower. So yeah, let me just start cutting the grass in this front lawn first. So yeah, hopefully that kid will be careful. But yeah, I am cutting the grass right now. So glad I'm finally cutting this grass. Like, it looks so nasty right now. But yeah, let's cut around here. Let me go on my phone actually. I think there's like some news of like some new basketball game happening today. But yeah, yeah, it's actually tomorrow. Uh, so yeah, yeah, and I think also. Oh crap! I didn't. Oh, what the? Um, I think I messed up. I think I messed up. Think yeah. Oh my goodness. Kid, are you okay? Kid, are you okay? I am so sorry. You are bleeding heavily. What did I just do? I messed up. I messed up. Kid, wake up, wake up, wake up. Oh my goodness, dude. The parents are literally gonna. The parents are gonna get so mad. I don't want to go to jail. Please wake up. Please wake up. Please wake up. Oh my goodness. Oh crap. I can't. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, kid. Kid. You are like very, very bleeding. Okay. I have to call 911. I have to call 911. Okay. I'm calling 911 right now. I'm sorry. Hello, 911. So like, I accidentally ran over this kid. It was on accident. We are, so yeah, so like, if you can like send like an ambulance here or something, because like he's like bleeding a lot, and he just fainted right now. I think, he is like losing a lot of blood right now. So please send EMS over here, and same with police. Oh, I mean, don't. I mean, no police, please. Okay, thank you. All right. Oh crap. Kid, please wake up. Please wake up. I don't want to get charged or anything. I don't want to go to court again. Oh my goodness. Here, let me put this lawnmower back. Oh gosh. They're probably sending the police over right now. Oh, I messed up. What did I just do? Okay. Let me just put the lawnmower over there. Kid. Are you okay, kid? Oh crap. Uh, okay, I don't. Does does your parents have like a med kit or something that you can? Oh no! I said not to call the police. Uh, okay, I am in like serious trouble right now. Uh, okay, but the EMS is here. I need this kid to get healed. Paramedic. The kid's over there. He's near that tall tree under the yeah. Oh crap. I think I messed up. Officer, I promise to you, it was not me. It was definitely not me. Oh crap, they sent two officers here. Uh, well, you see, like, I gotta make up a lie. Okay, so I was just cutting the lawn. Okay, I was cutting the grass because I'm a lawnmower, because I work for this lawn mowing business, and like, and then this kid just jumped right in front of my lawnmower. All right. The kid just jumped right in front of the lawnmower and accidentally hit him, and now he's like bleeding. Just trust me, it was not my fault. It wasn't me. Why are you yelling at me? It wasn't me. Um, it's because don't I'm not lying. Oh crap. You have CCTV. Oh, so where is the camera really located at? I think I messed up. I don't live here. The parents are gone. They said that the kid will be like outside and stuff. I'm not lying. I am not going to admit. I'm not going to admit. Just you can even actually don't check the camera. Just don't check the camera. Okay, just I need you to believe me right now. Okay, I did not hit this kid. Okay, I did not hit this kid. I'm not confessing. I am not confessing. All right, go ahead and check. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna go check on this kid. Anyways, so yeah, he is getting treated right now. Damn, bro. The boss is gonna fire me. I'll have nowhere. Oh my goodness. You see, I didn't do it. I didn't commit anything. Oh my goodness. Oh crap, he's showing me it. Okay, I admit it. It was me. Okay, I'm running. Oh crap. I'm sorry. Okay, just please do not arrest me. I am very sorry. No, officer, please. Open this freaking door. Okay, I'm in. Oh crap, I'm hiding. I'm gonna hide. I'm hiding from the police. Oh, okay, fine. I'm putting my hands up. Just don't tase me. Don't tase me. Do not tase me, please. Do not tase me. Okay, I'm sorry. God damn it! Why did I do that? Oh my gosh. Why was I on my phone? I wasn't. I was just. Oh, someone was calling me. Someone called me. And then it was my boss. Yeah, my boss called me. And he said that. Yeah, I'm sure. Yeah, definitely. What do you mean he might not live? Major. I mean, you guys are nurses and paramedics. Officer, I have a family. I have kids. How am I supposed to provide for them? Just please let go. I'm sorry. Damn. Well, yes, but like, I mean, no, I don't have anything that can poke, stick, or stab. I don't have anything on me except for my phone and lawn mowing stuff. I can't wait to get out. I'll get revenge on these people. It was all my fault though. I don't know what I just said, to be honest. Yeah. Officer, how long do you think I'll be in jail for? Cause like I don't want to be in jail for too long. I need to go. I need to see some sunlight. Hopefully it's not more than 2 years. Or a year, in fact. Cause ain't no way I'm about to be spending all that time in that place. Alright guys, that concludes the end of this lawnmower runs kid over. Your LC roleplay. Thank you so much for all of these people in this list for helping me right now. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Basically, if you want to be in my videos, also just join my studio server in the description, and join my main server in the description also. And yeah, and still thank you so much for everyone here for helping, and I appreciate it. Moose is out, but yeah, sub, please sub, please. Okay, see you guys.